I've got a Shimano 100 GS, the ST-M010 6-speed shifter. Very clogged up, not working at all. So it's just a case of, similar to the other shifters that I've done, it will be a case of cleaning off that solid grease which is stopping everything working. So all you simply need to do is remove that screw at the back and your casing will come off on this one, and that will reveal everything. So it's a very simple fix in regards to well, in comparison to the other ones that I've done. So as you can see here, we can get easy access to all these moving parts. As you can see, that one there, that should be springing back, and the one behind it as well. So you can see that piece there, look how slow that springs back down, really slow, and that should be moving really fast into each section. So just taking it apart and moving those parts a little bit has started to help everything work a little bit. So all I'm going to do with some GT85, just going to give it a few sprays. And just gently try and get some of that old grease off. So probably this shifter's probably about 30 years old, so it is overdue a little service. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so it's not shifting down. And that clutch is still slow. Try and get it so you can see it. See how slow it comes down. You just need to keep going with the spray and just forcing out that old grease. And just keep moving it. Just to get those springs working. Right, so as I'll show you now. See how quick it come down? So that's that sorted. And that's the gear. That's the clutch which shifts the gears up. And if it doesn't spring back down quick enough, it's just not going on to the next cog. But it's gone on to the next cog straight away now. Now the other issue that we've got is coming back down, which will be these two. Yeah? Which will be these two here. So these are the two which are clogged up as well with that old grease. The same method just, you can even use your index fingers on that one, just move them left and right, bit of spray, there we go. It's actually moving freely now. Let's try that. Okay, it started to move down. Oh, there we go, it was at the bottom. So it's a 6 speed, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's actually a 7 speed then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 clicks, so that'll be a 7 speed. And that now is working absolutely perfect. By all means, get a bit of spray in it, you know, before you take off that cover. But because this one's so easy, just to take that cover off, it makes sense just to take it off. You can get in it, just clean it. There's nothing going to spring out or anything like that, so don't worry about that. Just get your rag, clean it up. Absolutely sound. Here's the 3 speed, which was exactly the same earlier. Done the same thing, took the cover off. Works really nice. So that's some retro STIs saved, which many people may have just thought, you know, was completely knackered and thrown away, but it's not. It's just a simple quick fix. So that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.